good morning all of you. Honorable Principal, Vice Principal, Mr. Ram and all of my lovely friends. Today I am very happy because I am standing in front of you. So that I am thank my teacher who give me ample opportunity for a speech. Today I am talk about Free Fire. Free Fire is the most popular game in the world. Free Fire is Play Store top chart game. It is more than 10 billion download. Free Fire is established in Singapore.